Live. Okay, okay.
You want to start? You can come and start here.
He's not followed rules. What color?
Hello guys. We are about to start the ceremony, award ceremony.
Which is black
Who
color.
all are missing? Can you please assemble as if we are all waiting for you? Let's have a great evening today.
Namaste, uncle. Okay. हाँ. Costume is there. He's there. ये देखो यहाँ पर. నువ్వు లైవ్ లో ఉన్నావు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్.
Okay, my.
मैं बोली अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे तो मैं प्राइस में नहीं वो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है. सर्टिफिकेट
చూసుకోండి చూసుకోండి
वो तो खाली पेपर लगता है. आप कम कलर सिंबल्स కదా पिछले साल में मैंने इम्प्रॉम्प्टू ही बात किया. सौजन्या सौजन्या
अभी अभी कोई नहीं करेगा ठीक है. अभी खराब नहीं करेगा.
బాబు
నమస్తే అండి. చాలా
హాయ్ What's your name? What's your brother's name? Bittu. అదే నా పేరు చెప్పడా.
Okay.
So you are the guy who lost and got found in Seattle. You went missing in a near a park.
అనేది నీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకో.
You made your father worried about you.
నెక్స్ట్
Isn't that you?
రమ్మనాలి అంతే.
Right?
ओके.
Your father explained the story yesterday.
हाँ हाँ बट ये दिखना है उससे ना कुछ.
I want to now ask all the organizers to come to the stage. Vishnu, Sapna, Priya, Sai, Prateek, Priyankada. Everybody, please come to the stage.
Pratik, go.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Here we are starting the event with the most prestigious members of this theatre TT group, the organizers, Please have a huge round of applause for our Sapna, Vishnu, Priyamvada, Prateek, Sai, Hari, Priya. Come on, Hari is there.
పేరు పిలవకుండా వెళ్ళిపోవడా సిగ్గులేదు మిమ్మల్ని కాదు సాయి
ఆయన హోస్ట్
ఎన్ని రెఫరీలు ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ అండి
యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ నాని వాళ్ళు
I
వస్తాడు
would really like to appreciate all the hard work these guys put in, right? It was amazing. Like, it was raining, it was windy. Like, they were always available, right? So, and they just did it just to bring everyone together, right?
ఈవెన్ వీకెండ్స్
Even weekends, every time, like, they are always there. It's raining, everything, right? So,
we appreciate you for picking up all players to focus on the game.
as a token of appreciation or thanks, right? We would like to. Priya, you come here. So, as a token of appreciation, we would like to thank you for all the.
Have a huge round of applause for Priya and Hari. Everyone,
ఫోన్ చేయాలి ఇచ్చేస్తారో చూస్తారో
please have a huge round of applause for Vishnu and Sapna.
And for Prateek. Disclaimer. All the bags got same gift. I got the bag. Also. Thank you.
चला गया मेरा क्या
ఫోన్ చేసి చూడు ఎక్కడ చేయరాదు
Thank you everyone.
Are we going now?
Thank you for all the volunteers who helped us to pick balls so players can focus on the game. Thank you for all the referees. Without them, this event couldn't have been possible. Thank you. And thank you for all the guests for joining us today. So I hired two expensive hosts for this evening. They were not agreeing. After a lot of convincing, they agreed to your cost. So please welcome Sapna and Priya.
देख मैं बस अपने फोन फोन प्रति फोन आता
Good evening everyone. Welcome to Ping Pong Championship Medal Ceremony.
Where champions are made and medals are celebrated.
I'm your host Priya, the Ping Pong Professor.
I'm the host Sapna, the spin doctor.
Doctor, why did table tennis players go to the gym?
Oh, that's a tricky question. Maybe after they lose, they will go and break the table of the opponent.
No. To improve the spin cycle.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. I would like to welcome our chief guest, my Attama ji and Lakshmi auntie ji, Jay Lakshmi auntie ji, Rajeshwari auntie and Lakshmi auntie, Pramod ji uncle, Nikhilesh uncle, Nilesh uncle ji.
Welcome everyone. Okay, so now we start with the future champions. Kids, you need to say the speech. I would like to call Kaustuv for his speech.
Kaustuv? Voice. Loud.
What an incredible tournament it has been. Standing here feels surreal. And I wanted to share my thoughts and gratitude with all. First and foremost, I want to thank the organizers for organizing this tournament. You put together an amazing event that brought together to compete, learn, and grow. The hard work that made this experience unforgettable. A huge shout out to my fellow players. Competing with such talented players has been a blast. Your competitiveness made this experience even more special, and I'm grateful to be a part of this tournament. To my family, thank you for being my biggest fan. Your encouragement keeps me motivated. I couldn't have done this without you. While I'm proud to bring home the silver medal, I know that it was just a game. I'm more motivated than ever to train harder for that goal. Here's to more tournaments, friendships, and the joy of playing with the game we love. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Costa, for your lovely words.
I'd like to call Puranjay to speak few words.
Hello everyone, my name is Jay, and today we're all here to celebrate the thrill of table tennis. Table tennis is a game of speed, skill, and strategy. From casual rallies to competitive clashes, table tennis unites us all. Table tennis it is a game of focus, dedication, and teamwork. It's honor the players, their passion, dedication, and sportsmanship. Congratulations to all the winners. Your hard work has paid off. And to all the participants, thank you. Your love for the game has inspired us all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's welcome Tanush to speak some few words.
Good evening all. I am Tanu. Firstly, I would like to thank you for this event congratulations to our next this competition has given me inspiration to perform.
Very good.
Very nice, very nice. I'd like to call Shaurya. Be loud.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Sonia. I was happy I participated in this tournament. Although this was my first time playing this tournament, I was very excited for each day. I think organized the mini tournament. Congratulations to all the winners.
Wonderful speeches by the kids. Let's start our
Prize distribution.
prize distribution.
I would like to call
Vishnu.
for presenting medals to bronze medalists.
I request Tanush, Chaman, Puranjay and Shaurya.
No, not you.
Puranjay ka. Shaurya.
Come. Chalu, chalu.
Shaman. Shaman, come, come. Let him take.
Pranay.
Pranay is not coming.
Final.
And Chaman is not there.
Good one.
Thank you, Vishnu. Congratulations to the winners.
I would like to call Hari to present the silver and gold medal.
I request Puranjay and Kaustubh come and take your medals.
This is first silver discount also. Same. Can hand over.
Coach Hari.
And the gold medal for
Give them big round of applause, please. Can everybody come here and take a photo, please? Pranay, come. Vishnu.
Come here, center. Many.
For only kids photo and Hari and Vishnu.
You can join, Hari.
Sai. Sai.
Why are two reds, two whites, and mixed?
Okay, congratulations everyone. And moving to the next category, that is women singles, empowering women through table tennis.
I would like to call Lakshmi aunty to give medals to the winners. The rising star showing remarkable progress. Apurva.
Come on, clap, guys. This is the most cheering.
Most cheering girl.
Cheer for cheerleader.
Cheerful cheerleader, yes.
The PCS champion of the TT and most experienced player, Ishita. Apurva.
But announce, you can announce.
The most hardworking, the powerful forehand player, the consistent player. No enough words for her. Sapna.
Player बोला
Yeah, I can.
The greatest table tennis player of all time won so many gold medals in Regatta.
What is this?
Black and red table. I became the table tennis player.
Priya.
Priya, ultimate champion.
I'm requesting, speak a few words about your experience and tournament. Any of them?
No, all of them.
No, Priya.
Ishita is going to talk. So thank you for the opportunity, everyone. This has been an incredible journey here. This year has been very incredible for me. And I really thank all the organizers first of all, and then also this incredible players I'm standing with and with my special guest today, Auntie. This is really amazing feeling that too in USA, happening in Regatta with all the Indian feelings, vibes, and lot of josh, energy, and everything. Apurva is one of our best players. She gave up her best in all the games. She is the most cheerful cheerleader. I would say please have a friend of for her. Next is Sapna Bhabhi. She is amazing manager among all of us. She manages kid, husband, TT, Regatta, swimming, everything.
What not?
Then, one but not the least, but Priyambada, she is the champion. She can defeat anyone who can come along with her. Sorry, Niche, but she gets it. So, huge round of applause for all the
an experienced player. She did really well in all the tournaments, and she used to be like a good partner to her husband as well as my others too. But that was really great playing with Ishita too. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Really wonderful.
Thank you, auntie. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, auntie. Congratulations.
बकवास कपड़ा में आई
Next category is I would like to.
यार सारे तो मेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा तब तो एक एक रिपीट करूंगी
दो साई
ये देखो
Thank you, Priya. So the next category, before I announce the next category, you probably all know that what is the role of these players. Sometimes we call them as home ministers. Whom we call it as home ministers?
वाइफ
wives.
Yeah, they are the guiding factor of families.
They are president.
Obviously. Yeah. So this is the most emerging, ever-increasing category in Rayata. So let me start with women's doubles. So this particular team, they are proactive, they are emerging, and the rising players. One among them is our one of the ever active players, Apurva, encouraging star. I would request Apurva and Aruna, if Aruna is available here. So they secured this bronze medal, the third position, with their hard work. Let me invite Lakshmi auntie, Hari's mother. Auntie, please. So. So this is for the third position of women's doubles. Remember guys, women are worshipped as goddess.
Thanks for that.
Okay, I am going to announce the second position. Let me call them as lady superstars. So they are not known for chopping their vegetables at home. They can chop very good spins, trust me. Okay. So these guys, they have been playing almost close to 8 or 9 months. They have shown tremendous improvement in their quality of the game, the skills. The lady superstars, the all-rounders, whatnot. They manage their families, they manage the game, they organize the event. Sapna and Priya.
He's not willing to give you medal. He's always Good job.
Thank you, Andy. Now I am going to announce the winners of women's doubles. I request JJ and Chavi. Jayasri and Chavi. I request Jayasri and Chavi to please come over here. Okay, let me call out the Shivangi of Ping Pong along with the Cheetah. So together they formed a team. They command. They gave a strong competition to everybody. If at all there is a signal for strategic discussion, all of you have to follow. Who does this?
That is a strategy.
And the good thing is that they follow that in the game. Right? Their composure, their consistency. I request Priya and Ishita, the Shivangi and the Cheetah.
Oh my God.
Please come on to collect your award.
All the gold you get it.
Come on, second.
Thank you.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Congratulations, winners.
Few words for the guests who arrived here. Thank you so much, Jayshree, and thank you so much, Avi, for coming here and embracing this whole event. We really love you a lot, and thank you so much for coming. Everyone, please have a huge round of applause for our guests as well.
I request Lakshmi Aunty to come on to the stage one more time. So now for the next category. So before I announce the third position who secured, I don't have a better definition. It's mixed doubles. So we have a couple of teams here. It's firstly, let me call a balanced team. We call him Tarun Boy. A mix of style along with the all-round of spontaneity, Priya Garu. It's a balanced team. They secured third position together.
Oh, mixed है. अच्छा अच्छा. लगा नहीं सकती है.
A big round of applause.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे ऐसे छोड़ो छोड़ो.
We have one there. You have one. Thank you, Auntie. Now I would request Jayalakshmi Auntie. Please come on to the stage. So we have another team. So he is called, I would personally say, is MS Dhoni of ping pong. For his composure, okay, for his maybe little here and there the technique, but the way he handles pressure, the way he handles takes the game forward, I would really call Hari Bhaiya, Hari ji, along with this mixed doubles partner again, the ever enthusiastic, energetic Apurva. You both really showed what an energetic is. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to announce the next one. This team lost narrowly with a combination of dedicated veteran who joined with Lady Chita again, Vishnu and Ishita.
Hey, Sapna. Okay.
Okay, obviously the winners of mixed doubles, they fought very well. His name himself means symbol, evidence. I would request the Shivangi one more time. Shivangi and Pratik. They secured the first place, guys.
We'll go to Priya's house today. Today night we'll come and take all the gold. Robbery.
Earring also gold.
Gold.
Gold medal there.
Okay.
Hari, Apurva. Priya.
Hari.
Hari is there. Vishnu akka.
నీ పార్ట్నర్ తో నిలబడు
మా పార్ట్నర్ తో మేమే నించోవాలా?
మీ పార్ట్నర్ తో నిలబడాలి
Okay, perfect. Ready?
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, life partners again joined hands as couples in the game. Let me call the third spot. Who secured the third spot? This family, they started showing very good interest even among their kids. I would request the emerging couple, emerging players, Saujanya and
The rising star.
we found an upcoming couple who is going to give tough competition.
అన్నా మీ ఆశీర్వాదం అన్నా. సప్న.
I request the energetic Kapurva and Tarun Bhai one more time.
శ్రవణ్ పేరు మార్చేసుకుంటే బెస్ట్. ఇంకా పేరు మార్చేసుకుంటే బెస్ట్.
Along with them, Apurva and Tarun also. Congratulations. Okay, the next set of winners, Ranbir Kapoor of Riyata, along with this cheetah. So this couple, they came.
Ranbir Kapoor.
They secured second position. Congratulations, Ranbir.
రైట్ కూడా అనేది రైట్ కూడా ఉందా
Ranbir, Ishita and Akshay, they secured second position in mixed doubles. Congratulations. So this guy on his day, he hits smashes. Even God can't stop him.
Only Ishita can stop.
Thank you.
I want to say a few words here. Yeah, again, sorry to disturb, but it will be not that changed. Thank you everyone for coming here. And this day is actually very, very special for me. Actually, I'm one of very great, gurus with myself. He is one of my gurus, teaching everything. And other guru always has been Vishnu. And one is missing is Monica. I'm really missing you, Monica. So Monica, Vishnu and Akshay have always been a guru to me. And another fact of my life is that I got married because of TT, and that's how I'm getting all these medals this year for TT. It's been a endless, loving journey here. Thank you.
To be
so much.
continued.
Badhiya couple.
Badhiya couple. So Akshay told the formula. He is a fast learner.
Good one. Okay. The veterans couple, a skilled player, teamed with his life partner, the Vidya Balan.
Vidya Balan.
The all-rounder. What not? You are a veteran. You are a sevak. Okay. They spent some quality time. They helped each other. They helped to organize the event. What not? They did everything. And we are fortunate. Their hard work has paid off. They secured the first position. In couples, Swapna and Vishnu, I request you to organize the couple.
Only to the organizers. They like the whole TT tournament, so for them special all medalists. Venkat, Saujanya, all medalists of Ryan. Just a photo, like వచ్చిందా? Self-light.
Hari hard working.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jalakshmi aunty. So with this, I hand over to Priya and Swapna.
Thank you so much, sir. Come on, doctor, we will continue our hosting.
Let's go, Professor. Next, we move on to men's singles category. And to present the award, I would like to call Vinesh uncle.
I would like to call one of the best serve expert in Riyata, Akshat.
Hardest smasher of Riyata.
Flashlights, please. Flashlights.
The mixer of speed. The mixer of speed, spin, and the placement of players. Vishnu.
The winner of men's singles category.
The lazy lion. Animal.
Good one. We'll take one on.
Thank you, uncle.
Thank you, uncle.
Celebration.
Congratulations to all the winners.
బ్రో యాక్టింగ్ కాదు.
మెడల్ చూపి మరి నెంబర్ 1 కనిపించలేదు.
Congratulations to all the players.
ఏ చాకాట్ అనుకో తినేస్తున్నాడు ఇచ్చేయండి.
I would like to invite Pramod Uncle Ji to give for the next category medals.
That is men's doubles. They are known for the quick reflexes and strategic play. Shreyas and Akshar.
The best defenders, the coordinating and agility player of the tournament, Sai and Shravan.
And the runner-up of men's doubles category is
The strong performers and the excellent coordination players of the tournament, Vishnu and Mahendra.
రామోడ్ వైన్. Enough medals, okay?
okay. The winner of men's doubles category is deadly combination of back end smashers and spinners. Anurag and Akshay.
iPhone है तो अनुराग ఏంటి అమితాబ్ బచ్చన్
ఆగు
అభిషేక్ బచ్చన్
Mahendra and Vishnu.
Sai Shravan.
Sai, Shravan, Akshat and Shreyas.
सपना पीछे हो जा
Could we know?
Thank you, Uncle. Congratulations to all the winners. I would like to move on to next category, that is teams. I request Rajeshwara Aunty Ji to come on and give the medals to the winners. Lakshmi Aunty also we request to go.
gold rate is also getting higher మన టీం వచ్చిందా శ్రవణ్ శ్రవణ్
Give a warm welcome to our Chief X, Mahendra, Venkat and Devendra.
Give them a big round of applause, please.
Devendra is not here.
Hey, T-Max.
Elon Musk.
And the team winners Priya, Saujanya, Anurag.
Wow!
Team winners.
They are not actually
Come on, team winners.
Come on, Saujanya.
We are the team winners.
Kunshi.
That's the very right.
Come down.
Yeah, I think.
Kunshi is here.
Three cheers for team winners.
Hey, close in the. Saudi close. Hey, close. Anurag, close. Hey, see, smile.
Kunshi smile.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
The
team.
runner-up for the kids category. Any guesses?
Yeah, Priya.
Team Badia. Priyapada, Ishita and Akshay.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
सपना.
बढ़िया टीम.
बढ़िया बढ़िया Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया.
सबसे बढ़िया.
सबसे बढ़िया.
And the winner of this tournament, the power trio, Mahendra,
Bhavani, Raghu and
you,
Vishnu.
Bhavani and Raghu.
Team Crusaders.
Raghu चल रहा है, Raghu.
Lazy lion.
Animal है क्या? Animal है दे. रेड सिगुबारతున్నాడు. ये. असल सूट आने लगता.
ए शाही. Raghu acting as a good boy. Okay, we take one pic with all other team members.
तो चलते क्लास में.
All हाँ इधर रहते हैं.
हाँ, here.
9 or 10 members are there.
12 members.
12 members are there. I request all the players to stay here. We will take a group photo in the grass area. Please don't go.
There, we have lighting.
No, after finishing this event, we will go.
టీమ్ అంతా నించోండి కదా.
All the referees. The next category is just to recognize the efforts taken by referees. These referees have done a marvelous job. I request Pratik, Priyambada, Vishnu, Priya,
Hey, Auntie.
and myself. Subscribe.
Hey, Sapna. Phone and ఇచ్చేస్తే ఆంటీకి. ప్రియా మరి ఆంటీ ప్రియా. అవునా?
Auntie.
Referees took a lot of heat between players.
నీకు లేదుగా?
They showed some partiality, but still.
అరే
Chavi. Photo. Thank you so much. Chavi. Photo. 1 second.
And congratulations.
Say some good words about referees also. Most patient, organizer.
Thank you everyone for being part of this event. A good player never stops learning. So keep learning and be the best than you were yesterday. Thank you.
Real warrior never quits.
Let's go to the class area.